This is the tutorial on how to input data with round number on Microsoft Excel. On these occasions, I would like to show you and explain about input the data with round number. It means that rounding on Microsoft Excel is also important to use or to do. Here, we have many students' name, code, and score. So the rules is that the score should be rounded. For example, 50.6. So it's not available for the score because we need to do rounding to know about the score here. So if we make data validating the data, I think that the comma or point on the score will not be done. Okay, so we need to do the rounding to make the score here. So firstly, you need to do blocking here. Okay, firstly, to make a whole number data validations and to make a round number, you need to block all of the cells here that you want to make a rounding from the cell sheet. And then data, choose or select data on the tab menu, and then data validations. Okay, so the dialog of data validation will appear like this. On the validations settings here, validations criteria and allow any value or data between, and again here. So if here whole number, if we will make a whole number as rounding for your number, so it doesn't include about decimal number. So whole number we need to here, and data between, and it's up to you, it's based on your needs. And ignore blank, do not forget to check it. And here I will choose between. For example, the data will be 0 until 100, and for minimum of 0 or 0, and the maximum is 100. This is score. The score number is from 0 or 0 until 100. And input message and error alert. Okay, it's about error alert. Show error alert after invalid data is entered, and we need to type here on the title of the error alert, input data, okay, must the number of a 0 until 100. Okay, the input data should be 0, between 0 and 100. Okay, this input data error. Okay, okay, so after this, click here. The title is about input data error must be 0 until 100. Again, input data must 0 until 100. Okay, for example, the score of Andy got 85, and then Pudi 56.7. This value doesn't match the data validation transactions defined for the cell, so it's decimal, so we do not need, so we cannot use the decimal number on our score, so data validations, because the criteria for this is only the whole number or round number. And if we type 102, so this value doesn't match the data validation transactions defined for this cell, because we have made from 0 until 100. So it will help you if you want other people to input, if you have some friends or another employee to input the score here, so you have some restrictions, so it will be easier to type when another people type on your sheets. Okay, See you in the next video. Hopefully it might be useful. Bye bye.